Good morning, everyone. We are at Whispering Willow Greenhouse, and we're just getting ready to leave. And I thought we would just take a little drive since it's a beautiful morning, but we're just first going to wait for this little mini pony to make his way to the barn. So that was so cute. He just walked. He's out, free roaming, and he just walked and let himself in the barn. It was so cute. So anyway, we're leaving Whispering Willow Greenhouse, and we're going to be driving some back roads. And I thought I would just narrate this one just to tell you, some of these roads. There goes a Mennonite lady in an Audi. That's awesome. Normally you see the more conservative, I call them grandma cars, like mine, like the black Kia, something, not sporty like an Audi. So that was really cool. But anyway, we're in Terre Hill, Lancaster County, and we're going to be turning left onto Lancaster Avenue. Now, this is not Lancaster Avenue like Lincoln Highway Route 30. This is just Lancaster Avenue in Terre Hill. And Terre Hill is a cute little town. It's just about 10 minutes outside of Shady Maple. I love driving and walking by the silos. They're so huge when they're right next to you, but I think the silos are so cool. I mean, I see them all the time, but I love farms and silos and stuff. So we're going to be coming up to a stop sign, and we're going to be making a left onto Main Street and then a quick right onto 897. And this is the town of Terre Hill. I've done a couple walking videos back and forth in the town, and it's just a really cute, quiet town. Sometimes they have some yard sales in the summer. We'll have to try to remember to come up here. I'll have to look them up to see when the Terre Hill yard sale days are, because they're always fun. So we'll turn right. We're on 897. And up here, we're going to be turning left onto Vine Street. Now, if you continued straight, that would take you to Five Pointsville. And that's where Weaver's store is and the homemade donuts. So we'll have to stop back there again because I haven't been there in a while, and I love those apple cider mini donuts. So here's Vine Street. We're just going to hang a left on Vine Street. All the leaves are almost on all the trees. It looks so pretty. And I love this time of year because the leaves during this time of year they're almost like a fluorescent green. And especially when you're in the woods walking, it's so gorgeous this time of year. I just love springtime. I love all the seasons, but I really love the leaves when they first come out in the spring. And of course, all the flowering trees like that pink one, they're really pretty right now too. And this area is still Terre Hill. I'll show you where I believe it turns into New Holland area. Coming up in a second on our left is another greenhouse, Boulder Ridge. I've been by it, I've never been in it, but one of these days, sometime soon, I'm going to go check that out. And that's right over there to the left. And right up here is a cute little Amish schoolhouse to the right. I always like this little intersection here. And here comes a big tractor trailer. Not going to go any further. That's a pretty tight turn there. So when we cross this intersection here, I believe this is where it turns from Terre Hill now. And once we cross now, it's New Holland. And also the road changes to Red Run Road right now. And that's where we're headed. We're headed to Red Run Campground. And I just thought this was such a pretty drive between the greenhouse and the campground. I wanted to just show you what pretty countryside and, all the farms and stuff like that. It's just such a pretty area back here. So if you're visiting Lancaster County, definitely get off the main roads and just cut over to the left or the right. and you'll just come through some beautiful, country, Amish country scenery. It's just so pretty either way you go, and you're not going to get lost. You'll have your GPS and you'll come out to some place like a main road eventually, but it's just so fun to just get off onto these back roads. They're so, so, so pretty and nice and quiet and peaceful. I love this road so much. I love the pond and the farms, and they're all spread out. You feel like you have space back here. It's not crowded or anything. And then we'll see Red Run Campground in a second. I'll show you where that is in relation to this road here. There's some cows to the right. I think the cows must be so happy eating the fresh grass this time of year, like that first thick grass that comes in. I feel like they're just really happy cows right now. Here comes somebody out on a nice walk with their doggy. Nice day for a walk, that is for sure. So right to the right is Red Run Campground, and you can't see it because of the trees, so we're turning right and we're still on Red Run Road. And right down here on the right, there's the covered bridge, the Red Run covered bridge, and that's also where the Red Run Campground entrance is. And this is where we are gonna end our drive. So I hope you enjoyed this drive. It wasn't real long, but it was just so pretty. I just wanted to show you that little stretch between Terre Hill and New Holland. So thank you guys so much for joining us, and I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever you're doing, and we'll see you on the next one.